Hey you guys, Mr. Waltz here. I'm going to show you how to insert an image into Fusion so that you can sketch over it. So I'm going to go make a new tab and I'm going to search for an image. So I'm going to say I want a Camaro side view, and there we go. That one looks cool. That image looks awesome. And I need to save this to my Chromebook. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to choose save image as. You have to choose save image as or this probably won't work. Don't choose save link as. Save image as is what you want. It'll ask you maybe it might automatically download to the downloads folder. You may have to choose that folder depending on your settings. And I'll just call this one, I'll call it Camaro and save it. So now I've got the image, and what I need to do next is put it into my project. So back in Fusion, I want to go ahead and create a project, right? So new project. If you've already got a project, you can just open that project up. But I'm going to create one. We'll call it Keychain. So exciting. Hit enter. And then if you double click, it'll open that up. So now I have the Keychain project open. What I need to do is click upload and wait for it. It'll bring open this. This is the Teams interface. Now, I happen to be in multiple teams, so I have to pick the right teams. Um, Hopefully, you probably just have one team, so you probably won't have to do this. But if you ever are involved in multiple teams, you can click on your little profile image up here. It'll usually just be your initials, unless you've uploaded a profile photo. And I'm going to choose my West Park profile, and it does some stuff, and then you can see now it loads up all my projects here, and I can see on the left side all the projects I have, and there's one down here at the bottom called Keychain. And so I'm going to click on that one, and then now it shows what's in Keychain. Well, it says you haven't uploaded any data yet, so I need to upload again. So it seems kind of silly, we have to click upload again, but we do. I'm going to click upload file, and then find your image in your downloads folder or wherever you saved it, and I'm going to double click that. And then what it does is it uploads that Camaro file PNG image. So now I can use it. So now I'm back in Fusion, and what I want to do is bring the image in so I can use it. So you'll notice here in your data panel, it'll say the data in the folder has been updated. I'm going to hit refresh. You'll see that the image now shows up. So now what we're going to do is go into our design and go to the insert tab, click on that, and we want to put in a canvas. And so that'll just put an image in there so that we can sketch and see that image. So we click canvas, and then it's going to ask you what to insert. It'll look in your project, and you can see there it is, Camaro.png. I'm going to double click on it, and it's going to put it in. And now what it wants me to do, it wants me to select the image. Well, it's got Camaro, and it wants me to pick a face. So I have to say where I want to put this canvas for my sketching. So if you have a sketch already there, you could click on the sketch. If you already made a body, you extruded something, you could put it on there. I haven't started yet, so I'm just going to put it on the XY plane. So I just click the XY plane, and there it is. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my front view, and then what I can do is play around with this and resize it however I want. There's all kinds of tools here. Let me close the data panel. There's a bunch of tools here: X distance, Y distance, X scale, Y scale. Let me show you the basics. If these arrows just let you move it around here, up and down, left and right. You can rotate it up here if you need to rotate it for some reason. These little guys here, this is a stretcher, a vertical stretcher. If you need to stretch it, let me put it back to 0. Did it snap? There it is. uh, Horizontal stretcher, and then this one diagonal. This one's really good. This lets you scale it to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so you can get this however you want. Um, so that looks pretty good. I'm gonna hit OK, and then now what I can do is sketch on this. So I can create a sketch, click on my XY plane, and then I can now use this to create a sketch. I can start going over this with lines or splines or whatever I want to use to make my Camaro. I'm doing a really rough and quick job here. but you can go ahead and sketch that, and then once you're done with that, you can extrude your Camaro, etc. So it's just a real quick way to bring in an image and let you sketch on it. Okay. Um, Hope that helps. If you're trying to do it in class and you need help, let me know. Happy to help you out. Good luck.